is the last part of our Christmas gift unboxing series. I'm so excited! Okay, let's open it. My first MacBook. Okay, so this is MacBook Pro 16 inches. 16-inch MacBook Pro. Yes. So let's open it. Good thing about Apple is they made it easy to open. Oh, okay. And what's gonna be? Am I doing it right? It's actually a non-traditional color, which is space gray. So I ruined it. So we have the gray, space gray. We have the, what do you call this? The adapter and the cables. And this is the charger. So so that's what we have inside the box. This is actually a 2019 version. And the good thing about this is we're going to try the touchpad. Okay, so we will open it and we will set it up. So for now, that's it. I have my new MacBook Pro now. Thank you for watching. Bye!
1 hour later.
Okay, now we're going to start our setup. Actually, we started charging it earlier kasi lobat din pala siya. So the first thing that will appear to our screen is you have to select the language. UK language muna tayo.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Ayan, nagsasalita siya. So we selected English UK. Pwede pa lang gamitin ng mouse. So ito na siya. Wala pala tayong mouse. Meron lang tayong touchpad. So now we have to select our region.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Later. Naiinip na siya eh. Okay, so we have selected our location. And we're going to continue. So again, we selected Ireland for our location. Then we will just continue. And then it was written, the following languages are commonly used in your region. You can set up your Mac to use these settings or customize them individually. So I think all those information were okay. So start continue. And now we have to connect with our Wi-Fi. Okay, so we have to select your Wi-Fi. Okay, once you selected your Wi-Fi and input the password, you should be connecting to your network. And then yan. I think we're okay. So data and privacy, you can read it or you just select next. Then if you have an old Mac, you can copy directly without transferring anything. Or you have a PC that you want to transfer here. Since I don't have, I will select the third one. Don't transfer any information, so just continue. And then this is one of the important thing. If you have an account, you can go and proceed with your Apple ID, or if you don't have, you can create a new one. Since I have my Apple ID, I don't need it. So all you have to do is input all the information. Another thing that it will ask if Find My allows you to locate this Mac on a map, send it messages, and remotely lock or erase it. Find My will use the Apple ID. So it's asking for your permission to use the app Find My. This is very useful, especially if you're traveling outside of the country, or unfortunately, or something hopefully not will happen, is you misplace your Mac, your laptop, so it will help you locate it. So if you're okay with it, just say next. Okay, so now we're going to have this express setup. You're assigning an Apple ID and cloud. Now we get to this stage where we need to set up Siri. So Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Siri can also make suggestions before you ask in apps, search in keyboards, Apple stores transcripts of your interaction with Siri, and may review a subject of this transcript. Siri also sends information like your voice input. Hey Siri setups contacts and location to Apple to process your request. Data is not associated with your Apple. So we have to set up Siri. Set up Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of the day look like? I think it's done. So you have options here of all your files, whether you will use it here locally in your desktop, or you can use your iCloud also. So I just tick everything and say next. So now we have to set up our Touch ID. And all you have to do is, this is actually the power button. If you see, there's a message they say lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID bit. So just put it here, click here, and at the same time that one there goes on and on until you have reached the 100%. I think it's complete. Well, not yet. I do have problems on my fingerprints most of the time, so okay. So I think that's okay. Now we have to choose your look. Actually, there's 3 options here: the light, the dark, and the auto. I think I prefer the dark one because it's more likely friendly for my eyes. So we will choose this. So it looks like this. Okay, let's try the other one, the auto. And what's the light one? I think I prefer this one. It's manly, but I like this one. Then continue. True tone display. Okay, so hopefully this is the last one. So I think that's it. We set it up already. Okay, allow. So you have your pre-installed apps here. So maybe we will explore it later. So I think that's it. Thank you for joining me on how to set up my MacBook Pro. Again, till our next video, thank you for joining again. Bye!